Okay, so I was just playing outside, minding my own business, and using the swing backwards just to see if I could touch the fence with my feet. And then I saw something. I saw a cicada that committed suicide. I saw this little guy. Look at this. It actually committed suicide, my guy. The teacher said, "I hate you." And it just says, "You know what? I hate you too. I'm just gonna kill myself this way." And this is not clickbait. Like, what? Why would it do this? This is insane. Okay, well, I'm not even gonna say goodbye.